In this video, I'm going to show you how to do mass personalized outreach via an AI agent. If you run a business and you want an automation built for you, you can get on a call with me on the Calendly link below. So essentially how this works is we've got a Google Sheet. We've got a couple of temporary emails just to demonstrate. We've got this Google Sheet where we have a first name, a last name, an email address, a position, a company, and an industry, so it can be personalized to them. Let me execute the workflow and show you. As you can see, the two different email addresses got a personalized email to them. So let me quickly show you how to build this. So for the trigger, I've just chosen when clicking execute workflow for now. Next up, we've got a Google Sheet node. Very simple. We've just chosen the operation get row and picked the correct Google Sheet. And that is all. Next up, that goes into an AI agent where we're feeding it the necessary information, the first name, the last name, the email, the position, the company, and the industry. And then we've just given it the system message. You're a world-class copywriter specializing in email copy. Your job is to write cold emails to people offering AI automation services. You receive the details and send an email to those details, personalize the information you have on hand. We told it what to sign off, how to sign off all emails, and to send emails via the Gmail tool that it has access to. I've used GPT-4o. You can pick whichever model is your preferred. And then we just need this Gmail node here and operation send. And we've just let the email address it's sending to, the subject, and the message all be defined by the model 4o. And that is it. You can build that in about 2 minutes and carry out mass personalized cold email outreach. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.